I've been waiting on some packages from Amazon for the Sportage. They came in today. We'll take a look, show you what I got going on here, get these things installed. Here they are. One package is clips for under the hood there that hold the body panel on. I hit a deer and broke them all. So we'll pop those and see how these are. If need be, I'll put a description in the link on this stuff if anybody would like to try these out. Armrest cover. And this is supposed to be a secret compartment that goes underneath here. There we go. Okay, it pops open, because that'll be sitting this way, upside down. Well, let's get these installed and see what they look like. Okay, we'll start with this secret compartment. It looks like it has double-sided tape going around it. And then that should get placed right in there. Should go right in. Well, let's get this tape off. Take two hands. Okay, I've got the tape pulled off. I've already cleaned this with some isopropyl alcohol. Let's see how she falls in there. Well, it seems to go right in. And there you can put your USBs, whatever you need in there. Someone's going to come and sit in your car and open it. They're pretty much not going to see that's up there. All right, let's go on to this armrest. Take a look at this. So it looks like it goes this way. And that should just slide over. Let's see here. Let me take a look at this. All right, I got it started. Try to rustle this on with one hand. It looks like it just pulls over. Suppose if you're not videoing this, it would go much easier. Let's take a look. So that's not right. It has to go forward. That is right. The bad part is the strap falls right over your compartment. Still accessible, but I don't like it. But I'm sure they didn't have that in mind. We'll just have to deal with it. Looks good. Be good for the, you know how you always get an elbow dent in your armrest, and it'd be a little easier on the elbow. All in all, I think it's pretty good. Well, that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, as you can see, when I hit it, it shoved this back so hard it busted these out. That's what I'm replacing. It was like I think 10 bucks for 100 of these. I should just, you push it in, push down, and you're done. Don't seem to be any different than the originals. They wanted, oh geez, what was it? $1.50 for each. If I would have got them from Kia. And here I have 100 of them for 10 bucks. Simple. There, takes care of that. I'll probably have another video when I get to the grill. I haven't really found the correct one. It's cracked going up here. We'll take a look at that once I find the correct grill and go on to that.